What's happening, Automotive Pandas? Peter from Panda here. I want to show you some LED headlamps that I bought, headlights. These are bulbs, as you can see here. Onyx H8, H9, H11, that's what they say, but these are going to be pretty much a direct swap for a set in my car. And as you can see, man, I have, as I mentioned, just fallen in love with LED headlight bulbs. They are super cool, super bright. They run with far less power than your traditional headlight bulbs, and I don't know how long they last, but they certainly lasted as long as I've been using them, which isn't that long. But what a cool upgrade, particularly if you really look at like output and light color. You know, they can give you really a daylight white light. So instead of a little bit more on the yellow and the warm white scale that a lot of halogens have. And they're kind of making them to be direct replacements. So here, what we have here is a pair of light bulbs, and as you can see here, just really cool. It's all silver housing. This looks like all stamped sheet metal. So we have like the heat sinks here. The big unit back here is where the heat will be. You can see a little fan in there which will draw the heat off. So that's pretty nice. It's not just going to be air cooled. It'll be air cooled, but with induced airflow. We have a little rubber ring here, create a nice waterproof seal, and you can see the 3 tabs, 2 small and then the 1 large. So you would put this into a standard light bulb opening. We have a LED element on both sides there, and then not one facing forward. So what it'll do is it'll use a reflector to kind of create the full light beam. So it's pretty awesome. I mean, they look really sweet. And then we have a small, 4-inch cord hanging off, and then we have in my case, a 2-prong connector, which is going to fit my car. Obviously, they come in a pair here. This is going to just be an unboxing and a first look. I'm excited about getting these in. They seem to be really a great upgrade. I used them on my Prowler, at least as far as I can tell, and it's a little bit of the amateur's eye, but like I said, they seem brighter, they seem whiter, they seem to, give me a larger, more brilliant pattern, and, I think it makes it safer. Now, I haven't had any problems with headlight warning lights going off on the dashboard or anything like that, and so, knock on wood, hopefully I don't have any, but they seem to be a direct replacement, and they seem to be a lot cheaper than some of the standard halogen replacements. So particularly if you have a blown out or a burned out light bulb, these could be a good upgrade anyway, because LEDs are supposed to last a heck of a long time. So check it out. I'll put a link to these in the description, and then we will test them out when I get them in. Peter from Panda out.